What if your liver could silently repair itself, and all it needed was one simple recipe you already have in your kitchen? This isn't a miracle cure or trendy detox, it's a liver-friendly habit doctors rarely mention. From New York office lunches to Nairobi evening meals, our busy urban diets quietly stress the liver every day, even when we feel fine. Stay with me until the end, because point number 23 reveals why timing this recipe matters more than the ingredients themselves. Why the liver prefers simple meals. Your liver works best when meals are simple, not trendy. Reduces metabolic workload, easier to digest in busy lifestyles, e.g., London, Toronto, fewer additives and processed ingredients, supports steady energy levels, sets up understanding of recipe simplicity. What the liver really does. Your liver isn't just about detoxing alcohol, it's your body's filter. Processes fats, sugars, and toxins. Overloaded by ultra-processed foods, busy city lifestyles increase strain. Explains why food choice matters daily, connects to recipe benefits. Why detoxes can mislead. Your liver doesn't need detox, just smart support. Liver naturally filters toxins. Extreme cleanses can stress the liver. Common misconception in wellness circles. Safe, everyday food is better, builds credibility and trust. The recipe isn't exotic. It's not rare, it's just forgotten. Uses everyday ingredients, found in traditional home kitchens, affordable for families in multiple cities, easy to integrate into daily meals, enhances relatability. Doctors rarely talk about recipes. Doctors focus on disease, not daily habits. Consultations are short, focused on tests, not prevention. Recipes feel basic to professionals, gives viewers a sense of empowerment, sets curiosity for actionable steps. Warm foods support digestion. Warm foods are easier for the liver to process than cold ones. Reduces digestive strain, culturally relevant. Asian and African dinners, helps with nutrient absorption. Evening meals are especially effective. Smooth transition to recipe. Hydration inside food matters. Water in food counts more than just drinking water. Soups, stews, and broths, easy absorption, office workers benefit. Saves time compared to drinking water. Natural segue to recipe ingredients. Eat slowly for liver health. Speed eating puts extra stress on your liver. Rapid eating spikes insulin. Overloads digestion. Relatable. NYC lunch culture vs relaxed family dinners. Encourages mindful habits. Microhook for engagement. Timing is crucial. When you eat matters more than what you eat. Evening meals impact liver workload. Late night eating strains metabolism. Shift work example in London or Nairobi. Sets up point number 23, curiosity-driven retention. Fiber is your liver's friend. Fiber quietly supports liver function. Slows sugar absorption, reduces fat processing load. Easily found in vegetables and grains. Affordable across cultures, reinforces recipe value. Oils matter more than spices. It's not the seasoning, it's the oil. Cooking oils impact liver fat metabolism. Traditional oils vs processed ones, regional relevance. Olive oil, Mediterranean, vs coconut oil, Africa, Asia, demonstrates recipe practicality, builds authority. How food stimulates bile flow. Bile is how the liver takes out the trash. Natural stimulation through vegetables, explains digestion in simple terms. Everyday kitchen relevance, relatable examples across regions, adds educational value. Recipe controls portions naturally. No measuring cups needed. The recipe fills you just right. Helps avoid overeating. Urban lifestyle problem solver. Encourages natural satiety, psychological satisfaction, keeps viewers engaged. Budget-friendly ingredients. Liver-friendly food doesn't have to be expensive. Accessible items in multiple cities. Affordable for families. Reduces mental barrier to adoption. Promotes shareability. Encourages retention. Consistency beats perfection. Your liver responds to habits, not heroics. Daily repetition matters. Missed days don't cancel benefits. Reduces stress or guilt. Aligns with busy lifestyles. Encourages long-term adoption. Hidden sugar can undo benefits. One sugary drink can cancel all the good work. Common coffee shop drinks, snacks and sauces. Awareness in urban culture. Practical prevention tip. Keeps curiosity high. Works across cultures. Different kitchens, same liver-friendly impact. Adaptable ingredients. Appealing to global audience. Encourages cross-cultural application. Promotes sharing and comments. Retention plus relatability. Stress affects liver function. Stress changes how your liver handles food. Simple cortisol explanation. Urban lifestyle example. Pairing recipe with stress reduction, emotional connection, reinforces engagement. Support versus fixing. Support beats fixing. Adds safe terminology. Focuses on long-term wellness. Avoids medical claims. Builds trust. Aligns with SEO-friendly liver support keywords. Weekend versus weekday meals. Your liver notices the difference. Social eating. Indulgence vs routine. Practical urban example. Encourages behavioral awareness. Boosts relatability. Results may feel invisible. The liver improves quietly. Internal improvement without immediate sensation. Patience reinforcement. Supports binge retention. Relatable observation. Aligns with curiosity hook. Pair with light activity. A short walk amplifies benefits. Simple lifestyle pairing. Evening walk example in London, NYC, Nairobi. Enhances digestion. Relatable for urban viewers. Adds practical tip. Timing secret. Narrative payoff. This is why when you eat, the recipe matters more than the ingredients. Eat before heaviest meal. Reduces liver workload. Natural suspense payoff. Reinforces narrative loop. High AVD reward. Recipe is sustainable. If you can't repeat it, it won't work. Long-term usability. Family-friendly. Fits busy lifestyle. Retention for viewers planning adoption. Encourages comments. How to start tonight. You don't need a plan, just tonight. Immediate actionable step. Encourages engagement. Smooth transition to outro. Supports retention. Motivates community discussion. OUTRO plus next video call to action. Now that you know the recipe doctors rarely mention, check out 7 everyday habits quietly damaging your liver to continue your liver-friendly journey. CTA for engagement. Speech balloon. Comment below. Will you try this recipe in the morning or evening? Thumbs up sign like if simple health tips help you. Bell turn on notifications for the next liver health video.